Hello my friends, welcome to our channel Plus Size Models. Now in this video we are going to tell you about Lotus Boom in 2024. So guys, let's get started. Lotus Boom is a Colombian model, influencer and body positively advocate, born and raised in Colombia, standing at 5 feet 6 inches and weight 77 kilogram with striking brown eye and luscious dark hair, boasting a net worth of 120 million. Source from here, lucrative collaboration with top brand designers and beauty companies, as well as hair thriving social media princess, where she inspires millions with her confidence, self-love and unforgettable individually. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe my channel and share this video.